going on, guys? Pinky here from Pinky FPV on YouTube, as you know. Alright, so I want to show you something. As you guys know, Corona, all that bullshit, it's made it really hard to get stock in Australia, or people that do have stock, it's limited, it's sold really quick, it's hard to get stock basically. Some shops get bits and pieces, and you know, you might get bits and pieces from here, but unless you're willing to do orders from multiple shops all around, you know, it's really hard to sort of find everything you need. So that put me on the sort of hunt for new shops and stuff like that, and that's where this goes to. So I come across a new shop, most of you guys already know it. It's called Mantis FPV. It's run by a guy named Adriano. So he's been flying I think 2 years now, and he struggled basically to find parts and stuff. You know, what he did want to get, you know, he had to source from overseas basically. So he started a shop basically trying to help everyone, and you know the gist of it. Anyway, I'll chuck a link to his store in the description. Check it out. This video is basically sponsored by Mantis. So as he sent me a stack to try out, and show you guys. So I want to show you this stack and what it's involved, and basically we're going to put it together. I've got my Apex here. For you guys that follow me and watch my videos and stuff like that, and I call them mini vlogs really, because it's just 30-second spiel of me saying what I'm doing that day, and then I'll get into flying, because I'm not really down to talking in front of the camera. Excuse me. So this is my Pyrodrone Apex. So I always call it my Pyrodrone Apex if you follow that. So I stripped it down, right? Because I keep smoking motors and stuff with that stack. I don't know. I do punish it a lot. So I mean, the stack still works in the sense that it still works. But I put a new set of motors on it. I got stuck in a tree. I ended up using turtle mode. I smoked 2 motors. Could have been the fact I was stuck in the tree. Could have been the fact I used turtle mode. Don't really know. But it's the second set of motors that it's happened to. So, not going to waste any more money. Got a new set of motors, also from Mantis. So, you know, I bought a bunch of other stuff, and he reached out and he goes, hey, would you like to test a stack for me? And I said, yep, why not? You know, parts are hard enough to get as it is, and you know, although I am a bit skeptical on this brand, I'll tell you what it is in a sec. I've got a mate that runs it, and he runs the same brand, and he hasn't had any issues. So obviously they've changed their things with the game. So yeah, look forward to seeing how it goes. I look forward to punishing it like hell. You guys will see that anyway. I'll probably chuck a bit of a flight vid and stuff like that at the end. All that, so that you can see me punishing it. You know, if I crash it, I'll throw those crashes in. Yeah, and show you the aftermath and see what happens. See if it dies. See if it, you know, puts up with the abuse. If it puts up with the abuse, then I think it's more than well enough to recommend to everyone. So, alright. So I'm doing this with my Hero 9. Oh, there we go. The screen comes back on when you touch the back. Okay, that's a bit weird. Anyway. Alright, so this is 5K. Should be nice and pretty of my shed. Hope you enjoy it. I'll give you a quick tour. My camera's plugged in, so there's all my stuff, my charging station, yada yada. My bag's ready to go. Cool. Alright, so let's drop this down a bit. So now you can see this is the apex, the Pyrodrone apex. So, alright, let's get into it. Enough shit. Do I just clap it here, or what? I'll just go fuck it. Alright, so, cool. We've got a bag of bolts, spacers, grommets. We've got a capacitor in here that's a 35 volt, 1000 UF, which is 1 farad. Capacitor, we've got a little ESC to flight controller cable, and it looks like that flight controller to maybe VTX cable. Not too sure. I'll check. So, alright, let's get into it. It's called the Zeus. The ZEUS. Made by HDLRC. Oh, look at that. I'm going to give you a little wiring diagram here. So it's a 20 by 20 stack. All that little. So, let's tear this shit out. So first impression, looks okay. Looks like it's conformal coated or something from factory. It's got some sort of glossy coating. I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying to make it glisten in the light. So it's got a QC sticker on there. That's good to see. That means this one's obviously been checked. Hopefully it works. It should do. Got the gold plated USB micro B connector. So this is the ESC. And this is 20 by 20, but it's a little bit bigger than 20 by 20. The mounting holes are 20 by 20, and it's sort of like 2 PCBs soldered together. And again, that looks all conformal coated. That side doesn't though. And all the sensitive electronics is all got some sort of, I think, some silicon coating or something. Don't hold me to that and dunk that in the water thinking that it's waterproof from factory and then have your stuff blow up. Just, so they're the LEDs. So I guess gift of Zeus. So yeah, you get those with the stack. That's cool. I'd like to thank Mantis for sending me the stack and giving me the opportunity to do a little review. Been a while. I need to brush up on my reviews. So, okay, that's cool. I don't know if you can see this. I'm gonna get the camera to show you. Yeah. They actually give you a full wiring diagram, both sides, and give you your receiver hookup. TBS Unify, that's what I use. They even give you this, I take it that's for DJI. 7.4 to 17.6 volts. Yeah. Cool. So it's got a 9 volt 2 amp back and a 5 volt 3 amp back. 5 volt 3 amp's good. So 9 volt, that must be for it must be 9 volt then. So why does it say 7.4 to 17.6? So they must give you M2 and M3. It's got a barometer built into it. From what the specs say, it's an F7, 6S rated, and it comes with a 45 amp ESC flying one. Don't know if that's for the. That's just for the ESC. Peak current 55 amp, so 6S rated. Does all the D shots, BLHeli 32. So I think that's pretty much all you need to know from that perspective. Alright, well, I'm gonna put this together and then do a test fly, I guess, tomorrow when we go out with the boys and see how it all goes. So stay tuned. Thanks, guys. Boom! Build finish. Down at the park with Shano. I got the quad. I got the Hero 9 in it. So HDLRC stack from Mantis. It's a Zeus stack, 45 amp, 4-in-1 20x20 system. In my Apex, I got T-Motor Velox motors, 2208, 1750 kV. Yeah, fucking rip some packs and have some fun. See how it goes. Oh, there's one thing I didn't check was video.
Oh, I didn't even record that.
I did.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. Alright, so I haven't checked video yet. I should probably do that. Ah. Race 1. Sweet as. Oh, cool. Make sure it alarms and do a bit of a hover.
All good?
Yeah, so far so good.
One?
So far so good.
I knew I did. I knew I snapped my VTX antenna off.
Don't worry, be happy.
I know exactly where it is, I reckon. I'm just going out to the split S bit. You alright? Alright, I'm going out there. Excuse me. Oh, that was gross. Corona everything. There it is. Snapped it clean. How did I do that? I must have just bent it up and bent it up and chopped it on the carbon. Or bent it down and chopped it on the carbon. Yep, so it's been chopped on the carbon. There you go. Foxy lollipops. Probably only good on a micro.